Hi guys, today I'm showing you this look, which is my everyday winter makeup. Now, I don't normally wear makeup every day, but when I do, I always go for this look, especially if I'm in a time crunch, just need to do my makeup fast, because this literally takes like 5 minutes to do, and it's quick and easy, but it's also really pretty, I think. And I'm also using a new product, this NARS Orgasm Blush, which I got as a sample. And I'm using this on my cheeks today. This is my first time using it, and I actually really love it. I would definitely purchase this. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this look, and let's get started. Okay, so I already put my Herborian BB cream on, which is this right here. And I just love this stuff. I've been using this for almost 2 years now. This whole base makeup routine that I have going on, I've been using for a little over a year now, and I just love it. When I find something I like, I stick with it, and I just really like the products. This lasts like forever too. My foundation also has lasted a long time, and not only is it, look nice, it also is good for my skin. So I like using products on my face, like I've said over and over again, that are actually beneficial for my skin. And what this does is it kind of like evens out my skin tone, helps with some of the redness that my skin hasn't been looking its best, obviously, as you can tell, but this kind of evens out my skin a little bit more. It makes my foundation go on easier. So yeah, I just really love this Herborian BB cream, and it's actually a pretty good price too. I think it's like $39. And this stuff will last me at least like half a year. Now, I don't use it every day, but yeah, I just really love this. It also helps like soften my skin as well, and kind of plumps it up. Now, for my foundation, I use this pressed powder foundation, which is called Larinum. It's a mineral makeup, really beneficial for your skin. And I'm just going to use my Tarte brush and put this on. Love this brush, by the way. I've had this for probably 4 years now, and it's just like, looks like it's almost brand new. I'm actually going to go in, almost forgot, I'm going to go in with some concealer just to cover up a little bit of these blemishes. I'm also going to put it under my eyes and on my eyelids. And this is Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Now, I'm not a huge fan of this. I think it has some pretty good coverage, but it does kind of like crease in my eyes. I can see like some creasing. But I mean, other than that, I think it has a pretty good, like, lightweight coverage. I don't like anything too heavy on my face, so that's why I like this. But I'm not big on concealer anyway. I don't normally put concealer on. And also, this is in the color Light. And I think it matches my skin pretty nicely. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my foundation and just kind of go over this and blend it in a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to use the new blush, the new sample that I got the other day. And this is NARS, what is it called? Orgasm blush. And I've actually been wanting to try this. So I'm really excited to have gotten a sample. And normally I use MAC Margin Blush. But today we're going to try this and see how it goes. And this is what it looks like. So I'm using another one of my Tarte brushes. Love Tarte brushes. This one has lasted me a really long time as well. It's really high quality. Oh wow, that's actually really nice. I really like that. It actually really matches my skin tone quite nicely. Does this have shimmer in it? I don't know if this is matte or... It does have a little bit of like a gold shimmer in it. The MAC Margin also has like a shimmery look to it as well. Yeah, this is a blush I would actually purchase. I think it's really pretty. Okay, so now we're going to go on to eyebrows. And I'm using my trusty Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil. Again, I've been using this forever. It's actually lasted a really long time. I've noticed that all these products I've used have just lasted me like almost a year. But I also feel like it's because I don't use them every day. I obviously don't do my makeup every day. But, I mean, it's pretty nice that they've lasted this long, so yeah. Very cost effective. So yeah, I'm using dark brown in this pencil. And what I do first is I kind of brush through my lashes, my eyebrows. Yeah, no, my eyebrows are in the best of condition right now, but we're just going to work with what we got. And yeah, I just really love this eyebrow pencil. I prefer pencils for my eyebrows. I just feel like they're more like easier to work with, at least for me. But I haven't really tried anything else. I just like to stick to the good old-fashioned pencil. So yeah, when you're doing your eyebrows, I think it's really important to take the extra time to kind of brush them out, because you don't want to see like any like lines in your eyebrows. And they look very blended and natural. So I'm just going to take my time, just blend them out. And I think when you're doing like a minimal makeup look, the eyebrows, it's really important to make them like stand out. Because I'm not using any eyeshadow with this look. Which is actually very rare for me, because I'm always like all about using eyeshadow. You know me, I have so many eyeshadow palettes. That's like the main thing that I get is eyeshadow palettes. But we're not using any eyeshadow with this look. Okay, so now I'm going to use some eyeliner. Now, I don't normally use eyeliner, but I've just been feeling it lately. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm using the Ulta eyeliner pencil in black. I actually really like this eyeliner. So I'm just putting this on very close to the lash line. And I'm going to do a very small like flick at the end. I don't know why, but I think the scariest thing about doing makeup is eyeliner, like doing a wing, because I always mess it up. But I just feel like maybe I just need to practice more. But that actually looks pretty good. Yay. On to the other side. Hopefully the other side will look like this side, but that never seems to happen, unfortunately. Scary part's over. Now let's move on to mascara. So I'm using Maybelline the Falsies Volume Express Mascara. And I've just been liking this lately. It's a drugstore mascara, but it's a very good one, I think. One of the few good drugstore mascaras, I think. Yeah, the volume and length this gives is just really nice. Certain types of makeup, like I will buy drugstore mascara, I will buy drugstore eyeliner, but if I'm doing eyeshadow, I always prefer high-end eyeshadow and lipstick as well, and also like any like foundation, like powder, definitely go for more of the high-end stuff. Blush, sometimes I'll use a drugstore blush. I like the Maybelline Fit Me. I was using that for a while before I got the MAC Margin. But I could definitely tell a difference between the two. There's obviously a lot more pigmentation with the MAC. But I think the Maybelline Fit Me was a pretty good blush. I used that for a really long time, actually. And I liked it. Okay, so the mascara is done. Now on to the lips. I'm using an old favorite of mine, which is MAC Touch. Absolutely love this lipstick. It's very like neutral, kind of like brown, and it's also very moisturizing because my lips are like really chapped right now. And yeah, I just really love this. It's a luster, by the way. And this is the one MAC lipstick that I have, which is like almost gone. That's how much I love this. I'll take my hair down. Alright guys, that was my everyday winter makeup look, and I hope you all enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Bye.